Hi there, I'm here on the ALLUXA stand, and we are here with Peter Eggerton, General Manager and President of ALLUXA. Hi Peter.
Hi Rob.
So, ALLUXA are known for their highly advanced optical deposition. Are you working within a particular range of wavelength? If so, what are they?
Yeah, that's a good question, Rob. So I always tell people, if you remember only one thing about ALLUXA, it's that we design and build all of our own deposition equipment, and we use that equipment to make our filters and optical coatings. That means is we're able to tailor the output of the equipment to optimize various material sets on various wavelength ranges. We started off in the Viz and near IR. Over the years, the last 15 years, we've gradually expanded up into the mid-wave IR, 4 to 8 microns, and up into the longer wave IR, 8 to 12 microns, and further down into the UV. So now we're really able to coat from 250, 230 nanometers all the way up to 12 microns, depending on what the customer needs and what the requirements are.
Okay. Are there any particular projects you can tell us about that are expanding your spectral range?
Yeah, in fact, we look for growth in expanded spectral range. We always try to bring higher performance to an area that we want to get established in, to try and bring a solution to the customer that maybe they didn't have before. We recently were asked to work on a project looking in space at coronal mass ejection in the sun, looking at various magnetic properties at about 280 nanometers. Typically with coatings in that range, there's a lot of absorption issues, especially if you want to have significant blocking or a very narrow bandpass. In this case, the filter ended up being about a ½ nanometer wide, which is extremely narrow. The resonance needed there is high. So it put a lot of pressure on the absorption and scatter in those materials. We had to develop a new process that enabled us to get high transmission while having an extremely narrow filter, high finesse filter. I think the guys and gals were able to come up with something that was 2 or 3 times better than the existing state of the art in terms of absorption and scatter down at 280. So we're excited about that.
And of course, exhibitions and trade shows are a great place to meet existing and new customers. And what kind of person should be stopping by the ALLUXA booth at future shows?
Really anyone who wants to learn about optical filters, optical coatings, anyone who has a problem that's difficult, they might not know where the limits are. We'd be happy to help solve the problem, figure out those limits. Anyone with a new project or a new instrument coming up, we'd love to get started early in the process and see where we can help.
Excellent. Thank you, Peter. I hope you have a great show.
Thanks, Rob. You as well.